Yo, welcome in, welcome in. Hey, Jared. Welcome in, everyone. Hey, Anthony. Yo, guys, I figured out how to listen to my own music and have stream listen to different music. So I can listen to music that I actually like now without getting copywritten. Kind of OP strat. That's my Discord. Alright, cool. We'll get started in just a sec. Dude, YouTube is so stingy with it. I've had multiple streams get, like, literally terminated, like, in the middle of a stream. Actually so annoying. Yeah. It's tremendous. No, literally, I don't think, actually I know, I've not made a single cent from streaming all this time, because every single one of them gets copy struck on YouTube. Every single one does. I'm too lazy to do anything about it. Like if we look at the YouTube stats, bruh. Yeah, restart Firefox? Okay. Firefox update. Wow. Welcome in, everyone. We'll get started in just a sec. How do I go to my YouTube stats? YouTube Studio. There we go. Hey, whoa. 8K subs. Let's go. Congrats, everyone. Face reveal at 9K. What? Content? Stream? Live? Okay, yesterday's stream, I did Content ID free music. I figured out an artist, but every single one. Copyright, 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 literally every single one. Literally every single one. So I have not made a cent on YouTube for streaming. I just do this for fun. Hey, Quack. Yeah, no, literally even copyright free music, they'll still make it so that you can't make anything off of it. Why'd you bother copyright free music then? Dude, that's what I'm saying, Tremendous, is literally I'll still play NCS, like trash music, and then they'll still say, oh, that's too bad. You played this one song? Too bad. There goes 7 hours of your stream. And then I'm like, alright, screw it. If they're gonna take it down regardless, then I'll play music that I actually like. And then they just terminate the stream midstream. Like, literally take it down. That's happened twice. But yeah, now I'm listening to music that I like, and then playing different music for you guys. I figured out how to do that. Okay. Yeah, we're going to be doing auto battle today. You're here for one of the stream takedowns? Yeah. Okay. How do I want to do auto battle? Could be like a toggle thing. Like this is gonna be kind of weird, but let me go into like a couple sim games, simulators, and see what they have. Players we at 907 W. We're starting to get a little bit more home wrecks. It's slowly getting up there. Slowly starting. I wanted to look at. See, that's a thing that I wanted to talk about. Well, there. I'm not sure. That's something we need to kind of decide. I was gonna go and look at. Am I getting my own game in my recommendations? Home recommendation, home rec. Yeah. No, you're they have, bro, how mad is you're always in here. They have like very simple auto train, auto fight. So funny. Where you just click it and it will do it for you. But this would be more so like auto fight like this. Where it will just start the fights for you. And then you turn it off. So they just have like a toggle. But I don't know exactly how I want to approach it in my game. They get a setting. I'm not sure. I already know some people will just auto farm throughout an entire night, you know? So it's kind of, it'd be a difficult thing to like store hundreds of crates, you know? Make it a toggle, yeah, I agree, but where? Like, we could do it inside of the battle, like down somewhere, like off to the side here. It could be auto or somewhere. You know what Clash Royale does? In regards to what? Damn. Wait, someone said earlier on to fix mobile not being able to wait 150k wins. Oh my god, insane. Yeah, Thor. So many people have asked for it. No way, Battle Cruise. Bro, you gotta be doing something wrong. I'm sorry. You got VIP, the Mr. VIP with only daily spins? That's so lucky. Like, actually. Someone said that these don't work on mobile. I think the auto battles will be free. But then we'll make the like auto ability usage. You'll still have to use your ability manually. But then there'll be like an auto ability usage that we can do. Like, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Fast forward Game Pass. I've thought about that. That's actually something that I'm almost definitely gonna do. By simulator. Oh yeah, it doesn't work. Huh, okay. Maybe take a look at that. It should be a simple fix. Where even is that? Build right sidebar. Slot selector. Slots show. Is the music volume good, by the way? I kind of just guessed because I can't actually hear it. Oh, it's the classic. Literally just forgot to put that in parentheses, and that should fix it. Classic Boolean logic. Dumbass. Wow, it works now. Okay. Well, that was easy. Yeah, I didn't even know that was an issue until someone just said that. I forgot who said the message. But, okay. I mean, super easy fix. Forgot to put it in parentheses. Is new update live? Yes, I put out an update like 30 minutes ago. Like, we could do auto battle, like... Halloween? When are you gonna release the slot fix? Next update, whenever that is. Maybe tomorrow. If I get auto battle working. Yeah, exactly, user. Like, people already will use macros, so like, might as well just... What am I looking for, dude? Might as well just make it a feature, since people want it. Yeah, lunar, almost definitely. So yeah, literally two options. Well, the options that I can think of right now. Auto battle being somewhere near this. I don't really know how. Or putting auto battle inside of battle itself, which feels a little weird, to be completely honest. Do you organize the game framework? I have a whole video on it. Like, I guess I don't really know where I would put it. Like, theoretically, I could put it like right here in the middle. Seems a little weird. I guess it wouldn't be awkward if we had the fast forward in here too. Because we're gonna have ability as well. Yeah, user, I was just thinking the same exact thing. Inside of battle makes the most sense. Okay. Okay. So cancel, skip, you have your ability. Ability here. And then we could have auto and fast forward. On the side. What, showing endure top one's first attack? What do you mean? Something like this? What happens when ability is used? When ability is used, this would slide down, and it would just be the two buttons in the middle. It slides up, and then it goes away. It should be the two buttons there. Yeah, I think that'll work. I think we can do that. Yeah, Kellogg's, I am. Just to give it with the question. Yeah, exactly. Okay, cool. So let's do that. We need to go into battle bottom bar. Battle bar? Settings for ability? Oh, for auto ability. crap. I didn't even think about that. Let's just do this for now. And then we'll figure it out. We need auto and fast forward button. Okay. I think what we need to do is make a frame in the center here. So make a new frame here. That's just called center buttons. It'll be frame. Yeah, something like this, basically. And then within it, we'll do ability. So. And we'll also have a layout order. Yeah, I think that works. Ability button. Okay. Thanks, Energy. Well, now I'm thinking it should go on the right. Okay, wait. I haven't really thought about that. There do I? So, not really sure, to be honest. I think this just needs to be an auto build frame. And then we need to get rid of from and to. Okay. I feel like this just actually won't work though. That's my issue. What is the size of this frame button? Size 136. The frame, okay. We want it to like actually slide up. We need to not do an auto-scaled frame. Just make it a basic frame. Get rid of this. And then do something like this. Size equals React use binding. And then I will do React use effect. Has ability been used? And you know what? This actually needs to be a spring. I'm gonna say use spring. That's the goal. With these parameters. Because we need it to actually get smaller. We can't just have it go down. So this is the size of the button, and then the button? What's your first message? I don't know. What battle started? And has ability been used? If cross ability and yup. Size that goal. Has started. Okay, so if the battle is not, or if the battle has started and you haven't used your ability, then this is the size. Otherwise, the size should be size. Background transparency. Sure. So this, we will need to change this. So I almost want to make this actually 0. And then set the goal to 1, 0. And then we'll just bind this. So I'll do size map size.binding map like that. And then same thing goes here. The actual thickness will be size.binding map times v. And that should work. I don't like that we have that there, so let's get rid of that. Okay. Let's see if this works. It probably won't, but... The daily slot machine. Cool, it worked. We do need to make it so that it is on the bottom. Vertical alignment, bottom. That should be everything we need. This doesn't matter. We need to set layout order though. 2 right in the middle. That should look a little bit better. Yeah, there we go. Lots of the new abilities, by the way. Bro, go into a new base plate and see if it still happens. Oh my god. Wait, that was crazy. Ooh, that's pretty good, Bachelors. That's weird. I don't know. I've never had that happen. Okay. So that's all we had to do for the ability button. Get rid of that now. Oh god, Valkyries. Oh no. This is you. you right now. Yeah, I don't know, go. 500 gems. Ooh, that's a good pull though. Above the spinner in game. Yo, I should. Pretty funny. Create a new function for, let's say, auto battle button. Can I just do this instead? Make that better. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Yeah, you can, Elliot. You need to use the plugin though in Roblox Studio, right here, the Lua language server. Just turn this on, and then you have access to instances and like workspace and that kind of thing. What'd you get, Battle Grizz? Well, the 500 gems is already rare. 500 gems is really good to get on a spin. In debt? Oh no. It's not true. God. What was I wanting to do for this? I think probably a stylized button. So we need to add a new setting actually. Local on set auto on equals use setting auto battle. Any good games recently? Honestly not really. I've just been focusing on updates, stuff like this. Been locked in. And let me add the new auto battle to the templates. Auto battle false. If on Was this in pixels? No. Oh, it was actually. Okay. 136. So like 0.9. Maybe adding rewarded video ads. Honestly, I haven't really thought about it. I've seen some stuff where the payouts on them is disgustingly low. Like I saw something where someone was doing the math and they were like, Roblox is keeping like 99% of the income on video ads. I don't know if it's actually 99%, but it's something crazy like that. Divide that by 400. Divide by 435. Something like that. I don't know. Let's just see what this looks like. Got to play small. This needs to be. Hold on. Where am I? This needs to actually be. I was right. Auto scaled frame. 120 by 120. With in size, I think I had 100. Double check. What are we doing? Yeah, min size, yada. Okay, and then we need to wrap everything in a new frame. Oh, I guess we could just use this button. Yeah. And we simply just do size dot binding. Like that. I think that should work. Okay, cool. And then this to actually accept layout order though. Okay. Good. This definitely needs to be bigger. Let me do auto scaled frame again. Something like this. Oh. Now I remember why I did that. Damn, okay. I literally can't do that. Like we just make this. What? How did I manage to do that? I mean, low key, I feel like we should just make the ability button visible from the get-go. Which is done. Something like that. Hmm? There's definitely something in there, yeah. Yep. What do you need it for? What the hell? Oh. 8. Transparency, I think. What I need. Okay. Now we should have the what's it called? Ability button showing now, which it's not. I don't know why. Oh, because the size is 0. We need to make this 1 initially. Yeah, we need to make that 1. Then we don't care about this anymore. I'll show you. Help me. Oh man, that kind of looks weird though. I mean, we're gonna have another button here. Maybe it just looks weird because it's off center. Alright, ready? Yeah, help me. Exactly. That's what I'm working on right now. There's the mythic. The explosives have like knockback as well as damage. It doesn't damage your own bot, but it will knock back your own bot if a missile hits it. Honestly, I have no idea how good or bad this will be. Yeah. I genuinely have no idea how this one will turn out. But I think it's a cool ability. Like, it's really cool. I have no idea. I have my own networking solution. I have a background enjoyer on my GitHub called Networkers. Yeah. I mean, true, help me. The damage is based on your bot's damage. Like the damage up here that you see. This damage is based off of your bot's damage. So each missile would do 15% of your bot's damage, which scales based off skill of the star level. So I don't know. Honestly, we'll see. I'm completely unsure on where the community will kind of value this mythic. Zombie sounds so OP. Zombie's pretty cool. I like his ability. And then when we activate this, using the same client server architecture you showed in your other video. Yes. I believe I showed off my networkers in my hierarchy video. I know I showed like a very basic example of how to make just a basic remote event wrapper. Mine's a bit more than just that though. I think I used it in the video. I kind of don't fully remember. Activated. Does auto battle happen when you're AFK or something, or does it replace your current battling system? What it will do is, instead of, a lot of people right now, what they do is they literally have an auto clicker or a macro for battling. Not a lot of people. Well, maybe. A decent chunk of the top players have auto clickers or macros that are going that are essentially auto battling for them. So it's just clicking battle, whatever. And it's kind of unfair for a lot of like mobile players or a lot of people. I don't know. I don't like having to have a macro be the meta. So, and clearly people want to have that power. So, just kind of making it a feature. So if this was on, it would auto start the battle. One on battle, one on chest, open, and one on reconnect. Funny. Yeah, it just feels bad to like, it's not a requirement, but like, if a lot of the top players are doing it, it just feels bad from a game design standpoint. Auto abilities above ability. Yeah, we'll end up doing that. This is just the auto battle, which maybe I can make more visible. Maybe we just do on or off here. And then we add an additional like this. No, I don't do that. Made by. One of the companies I worked at, or a company I worked at, previously was looking into doing stuff like that, but determined it was just way too much work to set up anything like that on Roblox. It probably helped me, yeah. That. I don't know, something like this. Ugh. Are elements z-index for which line they're made in code for Rojo? this. Yes. This would be rendered first, this would be rendered second, but you can also just set the z index if you want it to. If that's what you're talking about. This would be on top of this. I think it's a little difficult because we're going to have another button here, so I feel like it just looks a little weird right now. Yeah, sec. Builder man? There's no way you're struggling on Builder man. That's crazy. You're literally the first person I've ever heard to struggle on Builder man. He's dumb. Yeah, I think I will, Logan. Nah, dude, Builderman is slept on. I think his ability is slept on. Yeah, exactly, help me. You can use his wall to, like, force people over you. Or literally make it so that their abilities miss. I remember when I was testing it, initially making Builderman on stream, I thought it was going to be too OP. It looks decent. We just gotta get the other what's it called? Other button here, because it just looks really weird without it. Mod panel? It's not really a high priority. Yeah, maybe in the future. Oh. Why? Okay, let's see what this looks like. Yeah, it's I was going through it when coding that. Bro, why is it show? Oh, I never called it. Just ignore that piece of code. What's up, Macnor? Is your paintball game done? I don't think we need this. Yeah, I mean, I agree. I just, when I was coding that, it was like 3 a.m. and I needed to get it out. And I was not caring. That's just derp? Wait, for real? I thought you guys were working on that together. I literally tuned into Derp stream like 2 days ago, yesterday, something like that. And weren't you streaming for 24 hours straight? Or am I completely making that up? $26, dude, that's absurd. I can't imagine streaming for that long, to be completely honest. After like 7 hours of streaming, I'm usually losing my mind. Fair enough, fair enough. Okay. I think that looks decent. I mean, I'm not loving this whole thing. Let me just see what this looks like. React, I mean, I like it. I used Fusion before and I like Fusion. React is definitely a lot harder to learn. Thoughts? What do you think about this? I think this looks nice. Hey, why is the ability covered up? It looks alright. Make it so that this goes when you hover it. Oh. What's it called? Mouse enter. Oh, on mouse enter. Probably just make this into its own component, but oh well. We are coding, that's for sure. Thanks, Roids. Appreciate it. That's an 8K. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, face reveal at 10K subs. Do you think people who program need to be good in math, solve complex issues? I would say, more importantly, being open to learning, and then being able to problem solve, critically thinking. I honestly don't think you need any absurd math for programming. There we go. Good, good, good. Oh, why did they change the default docs? I have this button, docs, and now it defaults to the learn page. What are they trying to say, bro? I gotta do one extra click. Actually annoying. Exactly, roids. Okay. So then, let me just. I don't want to do this. I'm gonna make a new function called battle utils increment fast forward. I do current speed times 2 plus 1 divided by 2. What do I want? I want 0.5, 1. I just want that. It should be the same as. So if you're at 1 times 2, 2 plus 1, 3 divided by 2, 1.5. You're at 1.5, 3, 4 plus 1, boom. If you're at 2, 2 times 2 plus 1, 5, 2.5. Then I just need to do if needs to be greater than 2, needs to be 5. 5 times 2, 1. Yeah, that works. Serious question in general. Sure, this is good. how our ads going. I'll show you one sec. So that works. And then low-key fast forward is gonna be really easy, I think. I think just in client battler. Or maybe just battler. Dude, I can't type. And then in here, we should be able to set the speed. This takes a speed parameter. Start, battler, start. Where do we call start? I think we ever do. Okay. When do we call this? Okay, cool. When do we call this then? Here. Oh, set speed. I already got it. God damn. Alright, what are the odds this just works? started at 1. Hey, it just works. That's cool. Oh, the default doesn't work. That's cool. Why does the default not work? Start. Oh. Do. Yeah. You know, I really wasn't a fan of the 0.5. I don't really know why I did that. Do that instead. Would it make more sense they lose the loot box if you lose the streak? That's too punishing. Okay, yeah, I don't think the default is working. Definitely not. Why though? Hey, Robo. Go fat. So fast. We're coding fast forward right now. Oh, why does that not work? Is it because we're not calling start through there? I think it's because we're calling it through here. Maybe we just do this. Yeah, that's what we're working on right now, Cody. Is auto battle gonna cost anything? No. Auto battle will be free. Okay, nice. Fast forward will not be. Yeah, fast forward's really easy to do. Because everything is just based off the physics engine, so it's super easy to just step twice as fast for me. And since everything is just internally using the physics engine, incredibly easy to fast forward. Technically both. The client, all the client does is literally run the simulation, since it's a completely custom physics engine. The server isn't actually replicating anything. You just have the same inputs. If I look at performance stats and you look at network received, you'll notice literally it doesn't go up at all during a battle. Because it doesn't need to. Cool. It works. That's actually really hype. Wait, I want to see what this guy's ability looks like. It's just super fast. What about Clown's ability? Kind of a weird strat. It'll just remember what your speed was. Cool. That works. We still need to make like a game pass for it, but that was very easy actually. Auto battle is gonna be more complicated than that. Just because I don't know what. Largest project Illustrator worked on the past? Similar size. I mean, it's bigger than Start Events RNG at this point in development. I think Start Events RNG technically still has more lines of code, but maybe barely. Start Events RNG has been out for like over a year, so. Hi, Beluga. So what needs to happen with the auto battle? If this is on, instead of it saying tap to start, it would just do 3, 2, 1 countdown. Feel correctly. For the most part, yeah. Yeah, it would count down 3, 2, 1. And then when the match ends, what happens? The results screen. And then it just queues up for another. How did I do the 3, 2, 1? Genuinely don't even remember. I think if you have auto battle on, then we have to do like the auto battle countdown, which let me look at tap to start thing. So maybe I do, instead of tap to start, we'd have like another thing that would just be a 3, 2, 1 countdown. If auto battle is on. Yeah. So let me spell result. Battle HUD. Right, let me copy this. Auto battle countdown. So this is only shown if you're battling. If it hasn't started. Oh. And also local is auto on. Setting auto battle. And then what do we need? Literally just an image label. I did it in a Clash screen somewhere. Let me put it there. This screen? Countdown text. you later. Battle Royale? I don't know how I would do that. Okay, then versus countdown text. Literally just gonna copy this. I don't care at this point. No, I don't stream every day. Graph accountability from 2 sec to 1.5. Okay. Have to start battle. Actually, battler. I think I need to do battle slice or battle service client, and just have like function battle service client auto battle started. Battler. Something like that? I don't know. And yeah, that works. And then the battle slice, we'll do battle service. Battle service. What? Battle service client. Auto battle started. Okay. And then do auto battle countdown. Auto battle countdown. Have to start. We're gonna make sure this doesn't show. If this is showing, I mean, actually, is it bad if that shows? I don't think it is. Okay, let's just see what happens now. So it's off. If I turn this on, nothing happens. Because of why? I don't think battle type is that. I think it's like default or something dumb. Yeah, I know, boss. I was planning on doing that. I agree. It's needed. That might break something, but well. Oh, was it going? No. Why not? Type is battle, new battle. Battling. Started. Wait, is that not the right variable name? Not. Dumb. Idiot. Stupid. Then auto would automatically tap to continue. And would theoretically just put you immediately into the next battle. Yeah. I'm gonna turn auto off, and now it doesn't auto. And if I turn it on, it does. Okay. Nice. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. So then on the results screen, battle results. So one that sequence is finished. Auto battle. Yeah, solo. Then we would go into the next one. And temp battle. Oh, I guess we don't even need to stop it, I don't think. What does stop battle even do? I guess that's results. But it does that already. This might actually just work. Yeah, let's try it. I'm not clicking anything. Oh. It kind of worked. Close, it's close, it's close. So what is this actually doing? That maybe it's the client battler. I think it is. We're never calling this cleanup function disconnect. Yeah. I think we need to add in this in new battle. If self.battler, then Dev.battler. Bro. Oh. When do we actually call disconnect? Oh, it's when battling goes to false. Okay. I think actually what we do is we just like take the easy way and just go to here. And we just do this first. Stop the battle, attempt battle. Bruh. Yeah, it definitely would, Robo. I mean, thing is, if I add lag, this would work, but kind of gross. I'm actually just gonna do what I did before. Nice. Okay. Oh. Oh yeah, that's gonna be annoying. Um, that should fix that issue. I'm curious what will happen when I lose, though. Like now, what's gonna happen? It's auto start. Oh, and if I cancel. Right, okay. Yeah, I guess I don't know exactly what I should do for the crates. To be completely honest. Yeah, I don't know. I'll figure it out. But Tuesday to just instantly kills me. Both, Bert. Alright. I think I'm actually gonna end the stream here though. TBH. I'll probably finish this just off stream. Kinda low energy. Hungry. So. Let me try again, but goodbye. Any codes? I'll do a small one, yeah. Alright, there's your code. But it might take like a minute or two for your server update, but that's gonna be it for me. And yeah, I will see everyone later. Goodbye. Enjoy.